good morning. How's everybody doing? I hope that you guys are having a great day. For today, I'm going to be cleaning my kitchen, living room, and also my dining room area, possibly the bathroom as well. I'm going to try and get it all done. The thing is that when I'm cleaning, instead of like cleaning really quick, I'm also doing like a deep cleaning and cleaning things that I don't usually clean every day. That's why it takes me longer to clean, but I'm going to try and get it all done. So I'm going to show you guys a quick overview of what the whole place looks like, messy and things all over the place, and then we'll do the cleaning. I'll do a couple close-ups and time-lapse as well, so stick around if you need some motivation to cleaning your home as well. Let's get started. Are you the type of person that leaves all your dishes in the dining room table? All of this things are left behind after you're eating? Sometimes I do. Now sometimes, most of the time, I try to pick up all the plates and then put them in the sink, that way I can wash them. But sometimes what I do leave behind are like the condiments, like ketchup or ranch. Now that kind of stuff I forget. Like I pick up the plates and cups because I know that I'm gonna wash them, but the rest of the stuff I just leave behind. And I know that I shouldn't. Like I should pick up everything in the dining room table, but I don't. I don't do it all the time. So let me know in the comments below if you're the type of person that does do all the cleaning like right away after eating. Sometimes I'm just too full that I just don't feel like cleaning. I don't know. It's just me. I know, laziness, but I'm just too full, and then I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna go watch a little bit of television, and then I leave everything behind. Now, one thing that I used to do when I was in my 20s, this is years and years ago. This was when I just got married. I would do my cleaning in the weekends because those were the days that I didn't work. At first, I was working at a school as a teacher's assistant, and then I was a substitute teacher. So in the weekends was when I would have the time to do all of my cleaning. So that's when my husband would be at work and I would just focus on clean, washing clothes and cleaning the whole house, bathrooms, showers, everything. So something that I used to do, and I know it's a bit immature of me, right? And I'm talking about years and years ago, right? I would not even eat breakfast sometimes or lunch because I didn't want to waste time. That's what I would call it. Like, I'm wasting my time by eating breakfast. I'm wasting my time by eating lunch, by making food, because that's just a waste of time. That's how I would see it. Now that my son and I are home, and when I'm doing the cleaning, I do have to make breakfast, lunch, and dinner, right? But it does take up time to do the cleaning. Like if I already cleaned the stove and I have to make something for breakfast or lunch, it does take up time. And then it does take up more time when you're eating and sitting at the table. So it takes about an hour, like to do, sometimes a bit more, to do the cooking and then to the cleaning. And then you have to pick up the dishes again, once again in the dining room area. All of that takes up time. And I do have to set my times when I'm doing my cleaning to eat breakfast and lunch because I have my little one. Like I have to make time for, but years and years ago I would not eat breakfast and lunch until I was done with the whole cleaning of my house. I know, not something I would recommend. I feel like for the last couple of months, all that I've been using to clean my floor instead of my broom and my mop, I've been using my Bissell. I am not sponsored. I purchased this on my own and I really would recommend it. If you guys don't have a vacuum, this is like the only vacuum that you guys need. It's not cordless, which is totally fine to me. It has the water suction, so you can either vacuum on dry floors or you can add the water. Now the cleaning solution that I add to mine is a little bit of Fabuloso Dawn dish soap, a little bit of vinegar to disinfect and to clean everything well, just to get rid of bugs. That's what I feel that like when vinegar will help with. It also helps with a little bit more of a deep cleaning on your floors. And I also use warm water. Sometimes I use the cleaner that they have at the store that's already made. It's from Bissell as well, but sometimes I just make my own when I don't have any at home. And it can be pretty expensive to be buying the cleaner, so I just make my own DIY cleaning solution, and it hasn't done anything to my vacuum. My vacuum has worked the same. It's worked. I've had it for months, and I really like it, and I would really recommend it as well. So friends, when do you guys plan on taking your Christmas tree down or putting it away? A lot of people do it after Christmas. I don't do that, you guys. Usually in the Hispanic culture, we wait till after the Santos Reyes, the three wise king men who came to Bethlehem, who were asking where the child who was going to be born king of the Jews. So they were asking where he had been born because they were following the star. I'm not sure if you guys know the story, but in Bethlehem of Judea, it had been told that the king would be born to be king of the Jews. So they followed the star, and once they saw baby Jesus after finding him, this was around January 6th. At least that's when we celebrate it. It can go deep in the Bible where they say that there's really no exact date, but that's the date that we celebrate it. And they took baby Jesus, they took gifts to him. They took gold, frankincense, and myrrh. And it's in the Bible. It's in Matthew 2:1 in case you want to read about it. It's a very beautiful story. We do this in the Hispanic culture where we actually give gifts to the children. It would be, instead of Santa Claus, it's the Santos Reyes or the wise men who bring the kids the gifts. But since we live in the United States, we do it in December. It's a bit of a long story. I'm not sure if you guys want to hear more about that. That's the reason why I kind of wanted to explain a little bit to you guys that we usually wait till after January 6th. Now, some people wait till February. Now, one year, I will say that I had to wait till mid-March to take down my Christmas tree. And the reason for that was because I was working, doing taxes. So I was so busy with work from January, February to March. And March is the mid-tax season where things start to slow down a little bit. So that's when I was able to get more time off work. And that's when I had the time to take down my Christmas tree. Like, I couldn't believe it. Like, every time I would get home from work, like really tired, really late, I would just look at my Christmas tree and I'm like, I really need to put it away, but I really can't. So I waited till March. So that's the story behind all of that. That when I'm editing my videos, sometimes I see things and I just start laughing, funny things that I'm doing. Now, my hair looks short, you guys. In this video, I had it tucked in. And I'm like, wait a minute, my hair's looking kind of pretty, you know, short. But I have like this thing where I like short hair and I like how it looks. But then when I have short hair, I want long hair. And then when I have long hair, I see other girls with short hair and I want short hair. So for now, I want to let my hair grow. I miss my long hair, so I'm gonna let my hair grow. I don't know for how long, and then I'll probably go short again. I don't know. That's just me. I like to do a couple changes. I like to get bangs. Sometimes I take my bangs off or just let them grow. I'm sorry, not take them off. I just let them grow out. I'm gonna be using 2 cleaners. I feel like sometimes I need like that double cleaning, so I use a little bit of the Clorox cleaner. And then I'm also using Mrs. Meyer's. It's a multi-purpose cleaner. I don't know, you guys. Let me know if you guys have used this before. Sometimes I feel like it smells so strong, but then sometimes I feel like it smells good. But I don't know. The smell can be a little bit overpowering at times. So yeah, I just used a little bit of both. I'm just so much into that deep cleaning sometimes where I just want that extra clean, so that's why I was using my Clorox cleaner as well. And for a couple months ago, like even I think when I started doing my cleaning videos on this channel, I was using a lot of my vinegar cleaning solution, so I will probably go back to doing that. I don't know why I stopped. Like vinegar, the cleaning solution was the only thing that I would use. Oh, I know why. Now I know. So I have all these cleaners that I'm trying to get rid of. That way, because I stopped buying cleaners, and then I just want to get rid of everything that I have and then just go back to possibly using the vinegar and maybe keeping only 2 cleaners. and I'm just trying to declutter. That's why I just remembered. Yeah, that's why I'm starting to use a lot of the stuff. I want to use it up and just keep what I really like. Just keep buying the things that I really like. Now, one of the cleaners that I really do like and I will keep cleaning is keep purchasing is the cleaner to clean my glass stove top. I use the pink stuff. I don't know how I feel about this. Like, I know it leaves it shiny and clean, but then I feel like when I'm scrubbing, I feel like my stove is getting scratched. Has this ever happened to you guys? Have you used this cleaner before? Like, it does give it that shiny, clean look, but then I feel like it's, I don't know, like squeaking when I'm cleaning it. I don't know, you guys. It's probably just me. It does leave it shiny and it does do the job. Now, another thing that I keep an eye on when I'm editing and looking at my cleaning that I'm doing, sometimes I see my kitchen and I'm like, I still need to do more of a decluttering and keeping my kitchen more minimal. I'm not a minimalist, but I think that I have gotten rid of so much stuff that I'm actually proud of myself. So stay tuned with my journey. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That way you and I are on this journey together to cleaning little by little and decluttering our homes. Now, I used to have I think it was like over 50 plates. It was bad, you guys. Like, I got rid of so many plates and bowls and everything, a lot of stuff. Now this time I used to have 6 plates and then I broke one accidentally. So now I only have 5 plates. Now this has been helping so much because I get to I wash more often my dishes and I don't leave them out as much, because if I need a plate, I know that I need to wash it in order to eat, right? I need my plate. So that's been working so well. I will probably be doing a video of how I've kept myself a little bit more organized in my kitchen, but sometimes I don't feel like I should do it because I'm not that organized or I'm not a minimalist, and I don't think I ever will be. I mean, at least I'm trying to keep things more minimal, but I don't know if I will ever be 100% a minimalist. But yeah, that's the story behind another story, I guess. One story after another. Hey friends, right now is the evening and it's getting dark. I have not finished cleaning. You're not gonna believe it. I haven't even sat down to relax or to be I'm gonna take a little break. I haven't. I've been doing so much cleaning. I already cleaned the kitchen area, the dining room area, and then I picked up a little bit in the living room, as you guys saw already. I'm gonna get started with dinner. I just wanted to do a little quick update and tell you guys that I'm totally fine with it. It's okay if I haven't taken a break or lay down or sat down to take a break. I'm totally fine with that because I like the feeling that I get. Everything's clean, and then I sit down in my living room and then I'm like, wow, it looks so clean. That's the feeling that I like. But right now I'm just gonna get dinner started. If I have time, I'll finish cleaning the bathroom. If not, I'll leave it for tomorrow. It's totally fine. Thank you guys so much for sticking around to the end of this video. May God bless each and every one of you guys. Thank you so much. I really appreciate all the time that you guys took out of your day to watch my video. Thank you guys so much. Bye bye. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.